Plant pathology. We will discuss about etymology, definition, the science and art of plant pathology, the raison d'être or ultimate objective of plant pathology, the economic importance of plant diseases, and types of crop losses. Etymology, from the Greek word pathos, means suffering, and logos, to study. Definition: it is a study of the organisms and of the environmental factors that cause disease in plants, of the mechanisms by which these factors induce disease in plants, and of the methods of preventing or controlling disease and reducing the damage it causes. The science and art of plant pathology. As a science, it looks into the characteristics of diseases, their causes, plant-pathogen interactions, factors affecting disease development in individual plants and in populations, and various means of controlling diseases. The science and art of plant pathology. As an art, it deals with the application of the knowledge gained from studying the science. Number 1. Diagnosis of recognition of particular diseases. 2. Disease assessment and forecasting. 3. Control measures. The raison d'être or ultimate objective of plant pathology is to prevent or minimize plant diseases, not only to increase food production, but also to maintain the quantity and quality of the harvested fresh commodity until it reaches the consumer. The economic importance of plant diseases. Plant disease epidemics have caused human sufferings, deaths, and upheavals, like potato late blight disease, caused famine and death of more than 1 million people in Ireland. Coffee rust in Ceylon, now Sri Lanka, destroyed vast coffee plantation. Tea was planted instead. Ergot poisoning in Europe, 875 AD, acquired from eating bread made from infected rye grains, caused by the fungus Cavicips purpurea, which produces sclerotia, contain alkaloids that impede blood circulation. Disease caused enormous economic losses. The following are examples of plant diseases in the Philippines that have caused enormous economic losses. The kadang-kadang disease of coconut, first observed in 1918, have caused the country a loss of over $200 million. Rice tongue rot disease affected 70,000 heads in 1971. 1.22 million cavans rough rice lost value at 30,357,000. Coffee rust destroyed the coffee industry in Batangas province. Citrus decline destroyed the coffee plantation in Batangas. Types of crop losses. Reduction in yield. Leaf spots or blights reduce photosynthetic capacity of plants. The root pathogens. The fruit rot and fruit spots reduce quantity of harvestable and marketable fruits. Losses from deterioration during storage, marketing, or transport. The amount of food lost daily is enough to feed the world's population. Reduction in quality or produce. Citrus fruits with scabs, moldy cereals and other commodities, reduction strength and undesirable discoloration in wood pulp, poor germination of infected seeds. Losses from produce contaminated with toxins that cause various disorders and or death to animals including man. Aflatoxin, produced by Aspergillus flavus, carcinogenic to animals and man, commonly found in stored corn, sorghum, copra, or root crops, etc. Ochratoxin, a mycotoxin produced by a ochratius, cause cancer of the liver. Yellow rice toxin formed by Penicillium spp caused several deaths in Japan. Estrogenic factor in corn produced by Fusarium graminearum causes testes of young male swine to have atrophy and the uteri of female pigs to enlarge and abort. Fuminescence formed by Fusarium spp in corn grains cause esophageal cancer in men and toxic to animals like horses. Losses due to predisposition of host to attack by other pathogens. Example, nematode injuries on roots serve as ports of entry for other pathogens. Leaf pathogens weaken plants, which can become a host susceptible to root rotting pathogens. Severely defoliated trees can be readily attacked by Armillaria milia and other fungi. Losses from increased cost of production and handling. Cost of disease control is an added cost. Cost of culling disease commodities for marketing and processing. Infected and stained wood chips need longer time to bleach to obtain white paper product.